To install the saddle buckle, we need the following components: a pair of straps with buckles, 2 pairs of stainless steel clips with screws, 2 sets of aluminium fixing rings with screws. First, separate the buckles and wrap one strap around the support rod under the saddle. Make sure to install the male buckle on the left and the female buckle on the right, aligning them perfectly with the buckles on the backpack. Please install according to the specific situation of the backpack. Holes 1 and 3 are one set, and holes 2 and 4 are another set. The front of the buckle should face outward, while the back should face the support rod. Next, fold the strap in half, ensuring the 2 sets of holes align. Adjust the strap according to the width of the saddle so that the buckle slightly extends beyond the saddle. Then, attach the stainless steel clips on either side of the strap, matching them with the holes. Insert the screws into the holes and tighten them using the included hex key. It's recommended to first insert the screws into the non-threaded clips and strap, then align with the threaded clips, and then tighten the screws. The first stage of installation is complete. Once the strap is secured, pull it back to the top position and use the screws to attach the rings beneath the strap to prevent slippage. This step also requires tightening the screws with a hex key. Step 2 of the installation is complete. Next, use the elastic bands to cover the clips and screws to achieve an aesthetic effect. This completes the installation of a single side buckle. Finally, repeat the same process to install the other side of the strap. When the male and female buckles are interlocked, this is the storage state for when we are not using the backpack.